yesterday we had discussed about before yesterday about the S3. So today we will go for some practical for the S3 simple storage service. So they have in the simple storage service, I have created a couple of storages. We will create all the new buckets. To start on the S3, whenever okay, again now we will discuss about S3. You can store all your objects into the S3.
Yes.
So for example, you want to store your PDF files, your video files, MP3, TXT, your text files, everything is the object. So how I am doing, let's see, it's by file storage. I am saying exa file storage. So it should be a unique name, you know about that. So now the which region you want to select here. So I am selecting here US. Let's see, US East OU.
Okay.
Okay, and just anything you can create, means you can create anywhere which is nearby your location,
Okay.
because latency will be less if you select the right region. So that's the reason. When you select the region, it should be very appropriate and according to your application, where all the user will be there, all these things you have to consider. Then you have to select the particular region. Then next.
Okay. So because of the latency and performance.
Yes, latency and performance. So again there is a versioning, logging, tags are there. So versioning, I think keep the multiple version of an object in the same bucket. Means if you are changing anything, you are deleting an object, it will be there somewhere. Okay. So logging is set up.
Major minor patch.
Yes. So logging is set up the access log records that provide details about the access request, who accessed this one, all the logging will be there. Tagging is used tag to track your cost against the project. Let's see, this particular tag for one project, another bucket is for one project, so that later on different tags will tell you who used what or how much. So that tagging will help you.
Okay.
I'm not going to do anything here. We will one by one we will go for versioning other things. Okay. So here I'm already the owner for this one. Read, write, full access is there. Manage users. Group permission you can give. You can give log delivery others. I didn't give any access to anyone. Just creating a simple bucket. That's all. Then next and finished. Okay. So new bucket came. Exa file storage. Time, date. And on the top, if you see here, it will tell you how many regions you have used or how many buckets are there. 5 region, 6 buckets. Because 2 storage 1 and storage 2 from the same region, Mumbai.
Okay.
Right?
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you created these buckets, right? I mean, they don't have a time contingency, like after this time the storage won't be available or something.
No. S3 storage is 11 nines, 99.9999. So all these buckets are highly available. Okay. But when you are storing your data inside this bucket, that again it will depend. Let's see, I'm opening this particular storage bucket. So exa file storage. So here when you upload your object, right? So I am going to, there is nothing right now, bucket is empty.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to upload. Add a file. So let's see this text file I'm going to add here. So when I text here, it's 5 bytes file. Okay, let me try another file if I have, or otherwise I will create. Let's see. Okay, this table file I'll just choose. Then I will go to next. Now who can access these files? Manage users, manage group permissions. So if you want to give everyone, you can click here. Everyone can access. Next. So here is the class you have to select. So what
when you say everyone, 1 second. When you say everyone, we create other users, right?
Yes.
how are these, when this bucket is created, this bucket is pertained to your enterprise or it is pertained to entire Amazon AWS regions?
See, the bucket is always unique across their region. Means some of the data
Yes.
you want to available for public data. Let's see, I have selected public. So I will show you. It will give you a public URL. So everybody can access that particular files from that particular URL.
So if I know this bucket name and if the objects in this bucket are given access with like everyone.
Yes.
So even I should be able to access if I know the names, right?
Yeah, definitely. Okay.
Like no matter what, I mean like any other enterprise, I can just go online.
Yes, it is online available. It will be online available.
So when you say, that's what I was thinking, when you say everyone, I thought everyone in this console or everyone across the world. That's what
across the world. So now the three storage classes are there. First storage class is standard, then standard IA, then reduce redundancy. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you see another screen of mine?
No, I can't. You have to move, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, I have to change. Wait a minute. Okay. There is three different class of the storage they have mentioned here. When you are uploading your data, they are asking you select the type of class: standard, standard IA, reduce redundancy. What it means, they have very highly available standard. Okay, I will give you another. Wait a minute. What I am going to do, I'm stop this sharing and giving you another shared PPT. Wait a minute. Can you see this PPT?
Yes.
Okay. So here is three type of standards and storage. They are standard IA and Amazon Glacier. So another is standard IA, infrequent access, and RRS, reduce redundancy storage. So what all it mean? So when you choose which storage where you want to keep your files, okay, so that is somewhere you have to select appropriately. Firstly, standard. So if you see here, they are almost, you see standard or standard IA is same, right? But if you come on the cost wise, cost they have mentioned here, no. But what is the difference here? If you go little in depth, the minimum object size, it should be 128 KB, means they will charge you even for small size. Minimum storage duration for 30 days. When you are buying standard IA, you have to buy for the minimum 30 days. And they have some other license, means when you are buying this one, there is something, another feature or costing is involved into IA. Thing is, who is costlier here? Standard is the most costlier storage. They are giving you high availability, but they don't have any other restrictions like size wise or other things. Okay, they don't have any restriction.
Yeah.
So all other things are, if you see from this chart, you will feel like standard and standard IA both are same. But standard IA cost is little less than standard. Okay, because it is mentioned clearly here, infrequent access. Okay, and then concurrent facility fault tolerance. That's where you can say reduce the redundancy storage is coming 1. They have concurrent facility fault tolerance is 1 only. Means if something happened, your data will be gone from the reduced redundancy. Fault tolerance, you can okay, how you can say the fault tolerance? I will tell you. Let's see, you have seen the data center, right? In each data center, there are the number of racks, right? In each rack, you can see there is a dual power supply in the back end, which are power supply which are coming to the rack.
Yeah.
So once that power supply is there, because that power supply completely coming from two different sources, from the ground means because always data center is somewhere is the raised floor, something 1.5 feet difference is there from the floor, and all the power supplies, LAN cables are going under the floor.
Okay.
So now the fault tolerance will come in a picture where they can say if this power supply fails, right, this complete rack is down, then
Okay.
your data is gone. Let's see, your complete rack hard is gone in a single shot. Something spark happened, right? Your data is gone. But in S3, their standard, their replication will be there. So there your data is very much safe in the standard.
Okay.
So that's the reason people are saying reduce redundancy storage you can use, which is reproducible data. Like you have already the source code. Let's say you have the video images created from some, you have the source code from where you have created. If you have the that particular source code is available, you can recreate that particular image, right? Or you can say image means ISO image or is OS or something, right? Or if you have the source code, you can again build that particular software, right? So that things which are reproducible, you can keep it into the reduced redundancy storage. Other things should be on standard or standard IA. Okay, so that is the difference in these both. So now I come on, is are there. Okay, now this is two things are there, standard IA and reduce. So let's see, I'm choosing the, because you can choose here the means cheaper one storage, and then it is coming the two things, Amazon S3 master key or Amazon KMS. Okay, KWS, KMS, sorry, key managed services. So one option is you are not using any encryption for your data which are on your server. Second option is you are choosing the encryption S3 master key. So they have the master key, they are encrypting the data when you are keeping on your buckets and decrypting when it is coming. Then Amazon is giving you another service, KMS, key managed services. There is again you have to select the keys here, or you can create your own keys here and use that particular for your encryption method. So some companies are very financial, or they want to means taking so many means they want such a way in anything they want their own encryption something. Okay, yeah, customization. Then they can, for them they are given the option of KMS, key managed services, so they can manage their own keys something. Then once you have do these things where you select what is the encryption, then it's come the metadata. So now what is the metadata? Metadata is for your files, they want to keep some information. Let's see what is the size of the file, when it's create, when it's delete, all that metadata. That's metadata, it will always keep it with this bucket, because you are creating, you are deleting, then size, all these things, information, owner, permissions, these are called the metadata. So that metadata they are always keep. It is there the different types of headers are there, cache control, all these things. It is mostly used in the development when you are really developing something, and then you can use all these content types, but metadata is mainly purpose for this one. You can just click next. It is saying two files, this is the size, two permissions. So this is, you can say encrypted, yes, object class, this is all your metadata. You can say that. Now you are going to upload your files. So I uploaded now. Let's see, 0 second in the down, it's done. Yes. So now if this side you can see the type of storage. What is the type of storage on the right hand side? Size, last modified, these two are. Up to here clear?
Your voice was breaking.
Hi, hello.
Hello. Yeah, your voice was breaking. Those words what you said.
Okay. So now if you right hand side you can see the storage class is there. right? Reduce redundancy. Then size is there, right? Then last modify and the names of the file, so that you can see. Now you have the click on any file, you can click on more. So here you can see some of the more thing you want download as, rename, delete, cut, copy, other make it public. Let's see, I'm clicking on make it public. So make public. So now what's happened when you make it public? See, this link is there. Click. Now let me open a new tab. Let's try to open this one. Yes, this content is there. Hi. Okay, so it is publicly available now. Okay.
So this bucket will be live all the time, right?
Yes. This bucket, no, not this bucket. I just give on the file.
Okay, just on the file. And it will be live all the time.
Yes. So now I think if you will also try, it will, this particular link is there. You can open this link. You can open this file also.
Yeah, I think you have a chat here somewhere. You can send me, paste it.
Wait a minute.
If you hit participants.
Participants, yes. Mute me, raise hand. No, chat will be somewhere else. Might be. Wait a minute.
In meeting, you have no chat.
I think if I click on your name, then also no.
Yeah, last time I guess there was a chat option, right? In view options, original side request remote control annotate.
Chat option.
It was there, right, last time?
No, I didn't try that.
It came for me actually, so I told
Okay.
I'm able to hear. Give me 5 minutes. That's what I said. The very first meeting of ours.
Okay, what I will do, what is another way? So, okay, you open this one, na? Try download copy path. Okay, now just open, but how you will directly give this HTTPS S3, try to write down. I will tell you, it's easy only.
Yeah.
HTTPS colon double slash S3 dot US hyphen east hyphen 2 dot Amazon AWS.com slash slash exa file storage. Just a minute, somebody outside. In a minute. Okay, so it's open for you?
Yeah.
Okay, so now this is the first option which you can make it public. Now another couple of options you have. Let's see, another option is event. One of the good option is, let's see, something happened to your particular this file. You want to create a notification for yourself.
Okay.
So then you have to create an event for that, and which will help you for that particular bucket or for that particular complete bucket. 1 minute. So S3, you can open a bucket, select the bucket. on the bucket you have to go to properties, and properties you have to select the events. Okay, so now I'm just clicking on add event. Before this one I need a SNS image, but I will tell you why I need, and how you will come to know that. So here you can give the name, let's see, S3 file delete del. So something, whatever the name you want to give your for event, if it is delete something on this bucket, it will notify you, right?
Okay.
So if you have the folder, you can give the folder name here. I don't have any folder. So what the file name, let's say you are giving txt suffix, okay? So then you have to select here. They have the three function for the notification destination: QSQ, Lambda function, and SNS. SNS is simple notification service. SQS, queue service, simple queue service. So queue service is always used for when you are developing something. Whenever it's delete, it's going somewhere and tell you this thing, and it will automatically recreate something, or it will let's see, it is your this redundant storage. If the images are delete from there, it's immediately trigger your build process, and that particular software or image start recreating again, so that you can use the SQS. But SNS, I'm just using SNS right now. If I'm giving SNS topic, I should have a topic here, but right now I didn't create a SNS, so firstly I have to create the SNS service. So how you can create the SNS service? Just go back into the services. Here you can see simple notification service on the right hand side under messaging. Got it? So once you click here, you have to create a topic. Okay, once you click here, create a topic, you have to give a new topic name. The topic name will be used to create a permanent unique identifier called as ARN, Amazon resource name. So I'm giving the resource name, that ARN name is S3 file delete. I'm creating for delete. So here also I'm giving S3 display name.
This is this topic name should be unique,
the
bucket name.
No.
Okay.
It can be anything.
This topic name is within your bucket, right?
Yes. It is not the bucket. It is your SNS service. It is not related to anything bucket. You can use this service for many any other place also.
Okay, but you will relate this topic to that particular bucket, correct?
Yes, I'm telling you, for the bucket, if there is any change into the bucket, somebody delete your files or update something in your bucket, you want a notification. You want, if there is any change into my bucket, I should know about that.
Okay, I got that. What my question is, when you say unique identifier, can this name, if I also use the same S3 file delete, it would not create any conflict for me, right?
No, because ARN name is not this. I will show you what is the AR name. It's totally, some numeric will come.
Okay.
Let's see, I have just create topic. It's just a topic. See, this is your ARN name. See here.
Okay. So with that number and all. Okay.
Yes. So some they are giving. This is your topic ARN. Okay. So now once you create your topic firstly, then you have to subscribe that. Create subscription.
Okay.
For subscription, this is your topic. Delete. Then what the protocol you want to use? If you are a developer, you can use SMS, means you can normally use SMS, application, AWS, Lambda, SQS, email, HTTPS, something, anything you can use. So let's see, I'm using HTTP, or here you have to give the endpoint. So normally people are using email services, simple. Okay, so you can email protocol you can use, and let's say I'm giving Davinder Singh at gmail.com. Create
No, you said HTTP.
Yes, it will not work. See here, invalid parameter. Endpoint must be the specified protocol. Service SNS service code 400 error code incomplete. If I am giving here email services, then it is take a proper endpoint name, email.
Okay.
Now I am going to create subscription. Done. Okay. So now if you see here, it is showing pending confirmation. Because it's not like that you will create something and it's means someone else ID and he is not aware. So you have to confirm that. Let's say open my Gmail ID.
Or you'll get an email to confirm, right?
Wait a minute, let me add account. See here, I got this one. You have choose to subscribe to the topic. So to confirm this one, you have to click here. So I'm just click the confirm. This new window will open and tell you the about the confirmation.
Okay.
Yes, this one. If you see here, this is tell you you have the this particular you have subscribed this email ID. Okay. Now leave these things and now it is come here. Now I can confirm subscription.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Question.
No. Then it will again send. I have to refresh. Sorry, I have to refresh. So once I refreshed, this is gone because it is confirmed now. Okay. So now this is your subscription ID, email, and this one subscription. Now what you have to do? This is this is already your one services. It will email you. Is the notification you have set, right?
Okay.
So what the action you have to do? That you have to select now. So for action, we have to go on the S3.
Your bucket.
Yes, I have to select the bucket name.
Select the object name.
No, you don't need to select the object name. You have to set this thing on the object, not on object, on the complete bucket.
Okay.
Event.
Events. Okay.
So now I have give the event name S3 hyphen event hyphen whatever you want to go. Delete something. Then leave it everything and just SNS topic. I'm giving, and now this one.
You give the yeah.
So
copy paste.
that I forgot to copy paste. No, okay, what I
think you copied, right?
I copied?
Yeah, just try control.
No,
Yeah.
no. This is the text file only. Okay, what I will do, I will go on another page directly this way. Services, simple notification service. Topics. So this is we have created, and this we can select. I came here now, select this topic, but definitely I will get some error message. Yes, I expected this error. The notification destination service is not valid for the bucket location constraint. Means some of the services which are Amazon is giving, it's not applicable for every country.
Okay. So
Okay.
It is going against your IP then.
Yes, because my Gmail IDs or other things there, I will show you. If I think I have kept that particular Wait a minute. I have kept.
That is Ohio.
Yeah, I just kept it, for your reference, so that when you are, if you are tomorrow designing anything, that you have to keep these things in mind.
Okay.
1 minute, Amazon. So they have mentioned about each country wise, which country it is available and which country it is not available.
That's neat.
Huh?
That's neat.
Yeah. Because
That's good.
same way in US now, IP phone in at home itself, it's usable. From IP phone you can call anyone, but India it is against the policy. You can't use your office IP phones and call to the landline numbers. You can't do that. You can only use the IP phones for internal purpose, or you can create a hotline. Let's see, around the world we have the hotline. So we can use that from here to Singapore. That all we can use. But we can't use for India to call on the landline numbers or mobile numbers, because it is giving the revenue loss for our telecom companies.
So if you have IP, yeah, with IP it's free, right? IP phone you can call anyone.
Yes.
The cell phone or video can.
AWS.
But how come we can use the IP and call? Because that is a service we have, right?
Yeah, that service AWS is giving you. That country legal is not giving you. Let's see, Facebook is not now working in the China, or Facebook is working, but all the contents you can't publish in China. They are controlling the content.
Yeah.
Many sites, torrent is not working now in India. Many torrent sites they have blocked.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes, many country.
I didn't know that. My torrents are blocked in India.
Many torrents. Many earlier. A lot of you can see my this browser, or no?
I cannot see the browser you're working on.
Okay. Wait a minute. I can show you here. See here. They are the supporter sender IDs. All these things are there. They are supported regions and countries for SNS sports. Because otherwise local everything will be on internet. How there are many countries they are not supporting here. If you see wherever is nothing is written. I hope so. India. See, India also they are not supporting. Iran, Iraq, these countries are not supporting these things. Okay. So that way I think you can try. It should work for you. Yeah. Where is US is
the countries.
US is
The
also
United
not.
States, United States is also not supporting.
No, United States also I think not supported. I'm not sure. So try once
so
you.
the email address and that thing should be of which is registered in United States only, I guess.
Yeah, might be because I'm also trying this thing, because I this thing never used on the public email IDs. So
it's used on the enterprise IDs, yeah.
Yes, mostly it is used in the enterprise. Then it's I don't think so. It would be the problem. Okay, let's see. So this is the your SNS you can use this way. So now in S3 the major other things is after your this bucket the versioning. So versioning is if you are creating your files. Let's see, came on this particular storage. Now these are 2 files are there. It's the 100 of files are there. Now how you can somebody delete, edit it, how you can do, right? So let's see, I can open it. No. Okay. Now what I can do, encryption is there. Okay. Okay, now You know, I told you about the encryption. You can see that that day you asked me about is the AES 256 that we have discussed, right? You can see here. So, you click on this thing, properties, encryption. Use encryption to protect your data while in transit and at rest. AES 256. Okay. So they are using all your objects, whatever is there. Now the question is, when your data are there, how you can use the versioning. So different versions are there. If I'm clicking on here, you can enable versioning. Yeah. And
for checking checkout for any.
Yes. Now it is enabled. So if once you enabled, click here, and now again you see more, select. I will select it. So let's say try to delete something. It's enabled, right? No. And where I delete? Oh, sorry. I enabled somewhere else. Not here. See here. If you see here, it is still disabled. I think I enabled somewhere else. Now it's
enabled on the TXT, I guess, not on the Python.
No. It's on the bucket side. Might be I choose something different bucket. Okay. Now you can see the difference when there is enable. You can version enable, or it's not enabled. This particular deleted objects tab was not there. If I come on again, on can see this access storage 3. I'm clicking on that.
Okay.
There is only one file. Properties, it's disabled. If you see here, if you select here, with the more, nothing is coming, new tab is not there.
Okay.
Correct? When you came on this file storage where you have enabled the versioning, so here you can see that tab deleted objects. If you click here, nothing is there. So what you can do, I'm just clicking on text door, I'm going to delete this.
Okay.
I'm going to delete, and here also I have deleted. Gone.
Okay.
So now something came into my door, it's by mistake I deleted. So then you click on the deleted objects, you can see that file there. You can click there and undo delete.
Okay. So how long does this deleted objects keep a track of the deleted ones? What's the time frame?
Good question. Frankly, I never saw this thing. It is deleting. It's always be there because they are monthly. Yeah, 1-2 months are there. But I will give you the exact data. Where how many days we can keep this thing.
Yeah, again, that's also a space
Constraint. Yes. See, they will charge you for each thing. They will charge you, right? So now what I will do, I'm creating one more file there, right? So if you want to come back, firstly undo and undo delete. So it came back to your normal, this one, right? So this is the, you can keep it this way. You got it here up to?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I can select another file. Okay. I just want to see if I want to. I want to change it. Okay. Okay. I will do one thing. Let me try to change on my local laptop and then update. Yes. Okay, I will do. Okay, other things we can complete here. So here best thing is you can create a folder. Let's say folder 1 is account department. Save it. You can move these things. Paste it. Okay, so all these things are available for you. Then this versioning we have completed, and events. So these two things you can try from your side, okay, today, and see if you have any problem on this one. Tomorrow we will do this lifecycle policy, how you can delete, automate and move to the glacier or other things, how you can do this lifecycle policies. Okay.
Okay.
So start your things, and I'm available for at least 10-15 minutes more. You want to do right now or you want to do later?
I'll do it later now.
Okay. So these two things you can try today, and yeah, other things we can tomorrow we will see the life cycle policies.
Okay. Tomorrow, can we do a little bit more time?
If you are comfortable, means you can. You are comfortable if you are spending more time.
No, I am comfortable.
Okay, then we can do it.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is a holiday for you, Saturday?
Yeah, Saturday is a holiday.
Okay, sure, then we can do it.
Yeah, I'll be available early morning actually, Saturday.
No, yeah, yes, tomorrow I have visit somewhere. I'm going to my. Tomorrow can we do, means for you today evening we can do?
Today evening, yeah, we can do today evening. Yeah, I
Okay.
don't have any things to do.
Okay, I will let you know. I will talk with them, and
Okay.
I will give the time. I think morning somewhere 7 o'clock for me is 7 means some then
9:30.
9:30 for you. Then it's fine, na?
Yeah.
9:30.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's very good. It
Okay,
works for me.
sure. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, just that I told you, right? I just want to kind of not do it fast as well as not do it like at a slower pace. I want to do it as a medium pace where
Yes.
by May ending, I want to take my certification.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, so May ending, I want to take certification. So at least by then, I'm kind of aggressive.
Sure.
Lately, I've been busy this week with some things going on. So once this week is past, then I'll be like totally free, available like anytime. You can do like more time and take more times if you are okay.